Live from Television Plaza, it's Show Me St. Louis.
Well, a St. Louis couple can no longer claim they've never won anything. In fact, they won big time. They're enjoying a new decked-out bedroom, compliments of an interior design professional who had his own show on HGTV. The sign is one indication something unusual is going on at this Clayton home.
Hey, oh, look at you.
Sherry LaFramboise and fiancé Wes Frazier meet up with friends and HGTV designer Michael Payne for the big moment. The first chance to see what their new bedroom looks like since winning the $10,000 prize in a contest sponsored by online giant CSN Stores.
Oh my gosh, Michael, thank you.
It appears that Sherry likes what she sees. The new furniture, the accessories, and the colors.
It's designed to be that balance where a man finds it sufficiently masculine, but on the other hand, it's full of you and the femininity.
Quite a contrast, considering this is what the bedroom looked like just a few days ago, before Michael Payne worked his magic with merchandise he designed.
I knew I wanted to use this beautiful copper tones in the fabrics. What better color to go against than a beautiful sort of teal like this, which is a really restful color.
Winning this $10,000 makeover is even more amazing, considering they were up against 6,200 other entries from around the country.
The reason Sherry and Wes were chosen as a couple was she wrote the most wonderful letter as to why they should be the ones for the big bad bedroom breakup.
We were in shock at first, and then it registered, and we were jumping up and down, and I had my brother in the room as well. It was amazing.
Things have been stressful for the couple, losing parents, planning a summer wedding, and renovating this house. At least one project is now complete.
Having a great bedroom, being able to go in there and relax after a hard day's work, get out of this renovation, it's going to be so amazing.
This really is a full circle thing for us to be able to enjoy a new beginning in a new bedroom.
Well, we wish Sherry and Wes all the best for their August wedding. And you can find Michael Payne's bedroom collection and all kinds of furniture and accessories at csnstores.com.